In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if apps can't be deleted on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and now I'm trying to delete this app. To do that, we need to hit right here at Remove App. However, here it shows us just the option to remove this app from the home screen, and we are not allowed now to delete any app. I'm gonna try with that one. As you can see here, we can just remove this app from the home screen, and no matter which app we are going to try to delete now, it can be done. That's because we need to change some settings. So guys, first off, we need to head over to settings, and after that scroll down until you find here screen time. After that, go to content and privacy restrictions. On that step, it may ask you to enter your screen time passcode to get access to that page, and once you are here, then just stop at allowed apps and the features. Oh, sorry guys, we need to go to iTunes and App Store purchases, and here you will find the option deleting apps. And basically it is set to don't allow apps now, so deleting apps is not allowed as of now on my device, and to change that, all we have to do is just switch it to allow. And then if we try to remove any app, I think we need to wait for a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to try one more time. Here, as you can see, now we have this option. It says delete app here. I don't know why it says it in Russian. For some reason, now it says it in Russian. However, I think you got this point that now I can hit right here. It says delete the app here, and basically, guys, that's how it can be easily done. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.